Hindi. Close it. Let's go. Next destination is Changkwak Camp. So I think this one is ano, mga elepante na may mga show, and if you want to ride the elephant, you can also do that. I'm not sure how much is the entrance, pero doon sa floating market na pinuntahan namin kanina, the original price for that is actually 5,000 baht. Pero, ha? 1,000. No, kung yung
Elephant lang, 1,000.
yeah, yung kung sasakay kayo ng elephant is 1,000 baht. Ngayon, kung magpipili kayo dun sa package nila, it's 2,000 per person, and very expensive.
Phiêu ô cho phiêu mà lạ.
$100 entrance just to feed the elephant, and you have a free banana.
If you want to eat also, you can eat.
Yeah, you can also eat that if you want.
Bes, bakit ka nakakulong, Bes?
Bet!
One more, one more. Next.
Next.
Jen, picture lang kita, be. Kaya na, sa...
Inaano niya.
Lapit ka.
Lahat. Relax niya.
May naubos pa? Ubusin mo.
Busin mo, isa pa.
One more baby.
One more, baby.
Tapos yung kamay, oh. Pinataka lahat.
Lag ka dito, Besha. Lapit ka ng konti. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Video. Kausapin mo daw, Besh. Kausapin mo.
Ay, ayaw niya si Dambo.
Ayun si Dambo.
Ang galing nila.
Galing.
Ikaw na, te.
You want banana, bebe?
Hindi isa-isa. Lahat.
Ha?
Lahat.
Huwag mo daw kasi nilayo. Bakit mo nilalayo? Lapit ka dito.
Hindi ka naman ano, hindi.
Bakit ka natatakot? Lapit ka.
Ayaw mo?
Natatakot ako eh.
Kapit lang, te.
Lapit ka.
Huwag sang usubi sa side.
Sa side niya.
Hindi sa ilong.
Wala akong picture.
Ano eh.
Basta ka na, di pa rin. Sorry, no more. Kaba.
Picture.
1, 2,
Diyos ko. Sali tuloy, natakot tuloy ako.
Ikaw din pala. Lapit ka pa, sige pa.
Ay!
Lapit ka pa.
Ikaw nga, yung mo lumapit, B.
Yan. Hindi ko kasi alam saan ko kukunin na. Ayan pala. Sa ilong ko kasi sinisiksik.
ay hindi sa ilong.
Wala na, tapos na.
Tapos na.
Huwag ganun na yun.
Thank you.
Bye-bye!
Ayan, hindi kami sasakay ng elephant. Ang mahal kasi. Ayan, so tapos na nga yung adventure namin dito sa Changkwak Camp. As what I said, hindi kami nag-ride ng hindi kami nag-avail ng any packages or nag-ride ng elephant kasi masyado siyang mahal. So nag-feed lang kami, feeding, tapos kasama yung entrance. So pag nagbayad ka ng entrance is 100 baht. Meron ka ng isang bag ng saging where you can feed the elephant. And then you can take some picture as well. But yung riding in the elephant is 1,000. 1,000 ba yung riding sa elephant per person?
700.
700.
O 700 per person. Ayun. So hindi na namin ginawa yun. Kasi ayaw din namin mahulog sa elepante. But maybe next time, yeah.
Are you
So, natapos na yung trip namin dito. Dito sa medyo malayong lugar ng Thailand. So, we're going back to Bangkok and see some of the temples. We had so much fun as well dun sa pinuntahan namin na floating market and then dun sa mga elephant. Kahit hindi kami nag-avail ng mga packages, okay na sa amin na makita namin yung mga elephant. And we also had a chance to feed them. So, that's okay. Akala nga namin, uuwi namin, souvenir namin yung mga saging. Si Beshi, muntikan niya nang kainin yung saging. Oh. But thank God, they allow us to take some pictures. So, naka-experience din kami na makita. At maamoy ang mga elepante. Ayan, medyo nakahawig siya ng amoy kay Besh.
Mabango.
Joke lang yun. Pero, yeah, so samahan nyo kami. Let's go for the temple!
Temple!
So, yung mga temple na pupuntahan natin for today is Wat Arun, Wat Apko, and also
Grand Palace.
Grand Palace. So, depende pa yun. We have to check also the entrance. That's what I said. Dito sa Pinoy Balot Tour, we only had the ride, but the entrance are not included, so we have to pay for that. So we have to see how much will cost us for the entrance, and hopefully it's cheaper so we can also go to those temples.
Correct.
Yeah, you agree?
Correct.
Yeah,
Correct and bad.
exactly. So we haven't eaten yet, so hopefully when we arrive in those temples, there's a little bit good restaurant where we can eat. Are you guys hungry?
No, not yet. I still have panipuri.
Pad Thai.
Thai.
Pad Thai. Did you like the Pad Thai?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. Why are you here in Thailand?
To find my soulmate and
Hindi tinanong sa kanya yun sa nung immigration.
feeling ko kasi talaga, dito ako sa Thailand talaga tatanda. Yung kasi nagbabangka kayo, ang gwapo-gwapo niya eh.
Kanina.
Yung nauna sa atin.
Akala ko yung bangkero na.
Hindi, yung nauna sa atin.
Okay. Thai, are you okay?
Good.
Did you like the elephant?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Okay, we'll see you again later.
So, ayan po sila.
Costume silang Cameroon.
So, hi! Say hi! Ano pong masasabi niyo po sa experience?
I feel like I'm a princess. I'm a queen, not a princess.
I'm not a girl, not yet a woman. Ikaw, B, anong masasabi
I
niyo
can
po?
relate because I'm princess before.
I feel hot.
You feel hot? Si Madam Senator, ano pong masasabi niyo?
Nakadin kami ng hearing.
Beautiful.
May hearing kami mamaya sa Senate. Yes.
Kitain namin si Gawi.
Ipapasa namin ang batas.
Aray. So, may mga paganyan pala kayo. Kasi yung mga damit niyo.
Tinapo na namin.
Ay, tinapo. Ay, iba talaga. Ang reyna.
Rich kami eh.
So yun guys, wait natin yung yung after transformation nila. So, see you later. Bye!
Ayan, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Wat Arun and nagpa-costume kami ni Nikay, kaming dalawa. So, tag 150. Not bad. Nung nasa Korea kasi ako, gusto kong magpa-costume ng ganyan. Hindi ako nagkaroon ng chance. So, this time, medyo mura-mura dito kaysa sa Korea. Kaya nagpagalito na lang kami. How do we look? Do we look like princess and queen?
Bumubuha sa incon pa.
Kasama kahit isang umbrella, nag-share kayo.
Di na. Ang umbrella kasi may higit 100 na naman. Bayad na naman yun, di. So, yung ticket dito is 200 baht. Tapos itong costume namin is 150. Kung gusto niyo may kasamang photographer, 2,000 siya. So, medyo mahal siya. Kaya kami nilang kukuha mag-isa. Ayan.
Hold or touch the historical site and choose to use a
Ang
photographer who
ganda.
has
Dear madam, kasi wait, nawawala yung ano niya. Remote control.
Pwede ka magpa-breast.
下笔的是要推两步，不要顺的，好像你顺这样一样顺的很清楚。如果还没有问题，
Ganda ng budan.
Ipa-publish.
Okay. Pa.
Oh? Oh, wow.
Gala kayo, gala. Hindi upuan ako. Pucha, ang init pa rin. Ang init pa rin, subukan mo. Nasa lilim na yan, ha?
Sakit siya.
Yung mga diamond pa.
Ayan. So, tapos na nga aming temple tour. Hindi namin napuntahan yung ibang temple actually. Yung Wat Arum lang ang napuntahan namin kasi napaka-genet. napakainit, pinagpapawisan na kami. So, hindi namin makayanan. It's only 2 o'clock in the afternoon at tirik talaga yung araw. So, we decided to cut off our tour today. Magpapa-drop off na lang kami sa Soy Cowboy kasi nagustuhan nila yung restaurant na kinainan namin doon nung una. So, kakain na lang kami and then we're gonna go back to the hotel and relax, and then maybe tonight we might go to Jody's market, it depends kasi maaga na naman yung tour namin tomorrow for Pattaya. So let's see kung kaya pa ng tropa natin, but what can I say about Wat Arun? It's nice, siguro kung hindi mainit. The place is very beautiful, it's majestic, it's like wow, as in wow na wow talaga yung the way na pagkakagawa sa mga Golden Buddha and everything. It's just happen na talagang nainitan kami. Yeah, the weather is not perfect to do the tour today. Tapos ang dami pang tao. So, as what I said earlier, it's a 200 baht for the entrance. Nag-costume kami ni Nikay, nung pinsan ko. It's 150 for 2 hours. Okay naman, nakapagpa-picture kami. So, abangan nyo yung mga picture ko sa Facebook. But, mainit din yung damit. So, I don't recommend also. Pero mura na yun 150 baht. Kumpara mo sa Korea. Because as what I said, I really wanna do that in Korea when I went in Korea last year. But I didn't get a chance kasi nga, it's so expensive. But here, at least nakapagsuot ako ng Thai clothes. And I feel like I'm a queen earlier. True. Yeah, so, again, we're gonna eat, and then after that we're gonna go back to hotel. So I'm gonna end my video right now, but thank you guys for watching all my videos here in Bangkok in Thailand. So I hope you continue to watch my video. I still have 3 days 3 days left here in Bangkok, and tomorrow we are going to Pattaya. Don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye you.